Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvette and I am part of the Kendra's Card Challenge design team. Thank you so much for joining our KCC 14 collaboration hop featuring our super sponsor, Colorado Craft Company. Our team will be showcasing some of their amazing products with Kendra's Card Challenge 14. To follow along, check the description box below and I'll have a link to a playlist for today's hop. Now today's hop is a giveaway opportunity and you can win a digital giveaway prize from Cards by Kendra. So when you finish the hop, make sure you fill out the form that is in the description box. The winner will be randomly chosen and announced on the Cards by Kendra community tab. Our super sponsor, Colorado Craft Company, gave members of the design team some wonderful goodies to play with, which I will be using today. As you know, I'm sticking to card sketch number 9 from Kendra's Card Challenge 14 for each of our super sponsor hops. That way I can compare all of my sketch 9 cards at the end of the quarter. Now the stamp set I'm going to be using is this adorable stamp set. It is the Recharge stamp set, and then I have the coordinating dies as well. Now I will be sure to link to the goodies I'm using in the description box as well. Alrighty, so I've gone ahead and put all my pieces in my plastic sleeve, and what I did was color cut and stamp this image off camera, and then I cut a bunch of that same image using the coordinating die cut out of white cardstock so that I can kind of pop this up off of the card base. So let's put our card together. Now as I make my card, let me share a little bit about Kendra's Card Challenge. Kendra's Card Challenge is a quarterly challenge open to card makers worldwide in which you can make 15 unique cards using 6 sheets of 6x6 patterned paper. Kendra does an amazing job of making an easy to follow sketch and cutting guide, which is free to download. You can enter to win some amazing prizes from our wonderful sponsors by simply entering a photo of your 15 cards in Kendra's Facebook group. Now you can enter 3 times each quarter. So for this quarter, you could have had an entry for April, you can have a second entry for May, and a third entry in June. That gives you 3 chances to win some great prizes. All the details on how to download the sketch and how to enter the challenge are linked in the description box below.
Listen to us tears go reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
And there you have my completed card using this wonderful stamp set and coordinating die from our super sponsor, Colorado Craft Company, as well as card sketch number 9 from Kendra's Card Challenge number 14. I hope you'll play along with Kendra's Card Challenge for more chances to win some fabulous prizes. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.